So I actually made a mistake, and in this location, when I rolled the for an event and rolled again, it should have been deep raid instead of an event card. So I got the exact same thing on the next turn. So we'll just go back and call it here. So instead of going here, I'm just going to abort, lose a campaign point, go down to 5, and make my way back. 9. Now that's an in-flight event card. Mission aircraft sight an ongoing air-to-air battle. Elect to join or avoid. So 2 110s versus 5 enemy fighters. I've got 3. So I think we're going to go ahead and take that. So 1 is going to be the 239th Squadron. So I'll grab those and be right back. All right, the card says don't roll on B3. So we got everyone set up. There's only 2 turns for weather. They got an ace, 3 greens, and an experienced. So this gentleman's got freedom of action. And I think he's going to go for the ace. See if he can... Well, I think he's going to go for this guy. If he was undamaged, we'd go for the ace. But since he's got some damage, I think we should be a little bit careful. We'll lose a campaign point if he gets hurt. 7. 1 hit. Using a B, or an A. 4. Roll against a 4. 2. He's flipped. Okay, he stays here. He's coming against this guy. Miss. He's done. And this ace is going to go after this guy. Miss. All right. Even, odd. Even. He's going after the ace. Miss. Tail gun. Miss. These guys are done. He's done. He's going after him. Five is a miss. Tail gunner. Miss. He's done. He's after him. This is what I was worried about. Is this ace? Miss. Tail gunner. Miss. He's done. He's after him. Hit. Using a B. Dang it. 2. Roll against a 2. Plus 1. He's fine. Tail gunner. Miss. He's done. He goes head to head. So 6 against 10. Miss and 2 hits using an A. Gonna be 3 and 6. Shot him down. Don't have to roll against him. Of course, that's our guest. Our guest gets the victory. All right. I mean, he's got nothing to do. So on to round 2. So we'll roll for the Soviets first. Both got 5, so they're at 11. We got a 12 and an 8. Five and 6 is 11. 5 and 2 is 7. Okay, you got our named ace and our ace. Our ace will be red. So 6 and 5 is 11. And 6 and 5 is 11. And we got 2 10s here. Damaged one will be purple. 10 and 5 is 15. 2 and 5 is 7. And we've got this guy. 4 and 5 is 9. All right, so these guys are tied, and he has the higher performance. So he goes first, and he's going to go head to head against even or odd. So even, odd. Even. So he's going head to head against our Romanian ace. Oh, you know what? Our Romanian ace actually had +1. So he's actually there. So he's got freedom of action. He can do anything. So he is going to attack this ace. I don't know what I was thinking there. All right. So he's attacking the ace. 3 is a miss, so he's done. It's round 2, so he's complete. Now he gets to go. He's going to go after... He's going to go after this ace as well. He probably can't knock him out, but he can damage him. And he attacks first because he's elusive. Or, I'm sorry, no he doesn't. Yeah, he attacks first for a head-to-head, but it doesn't matter here. So 1 is a miss, so he's done. So he is going to go against him head-to-head. The Soviet will be red. German will be black. So 7. 4 is a miss. 7 is a hit using a B. Three damage. He's done. Rolling against the 3 +1. Oh, critical. Of course. Unbelievable. 2. So it's a 5 now. Rolling against the 5 +1. 11. He's fine. So he's done. All right. So this is guys going here. Miss. Tail gunner. Miss. He's done. He's going here. Miss. Tail gunner. Miss. He's done. He's going here. Miss. He's done. And the Soviets going head to head against him. Both miss. All right. So Mission points, we get 2, and 1 for damage, 3. 3 mission points. That brings us up to 7. I'm going to send this damaged guy home early. That'll bring us down to 6. He's got to roll for landing. -1 for heavy weather, -1 for damage, so it's -2. 9, he lands safely. So we lose another mission point for him being damaged. So we got 5. All right, so we go here. Nothing. Go here. Roll again. 10. Card. Sometimes things just rattle into place. Okay. So I've got 2 damaged aircraft. Even and odd. The Romanian's odd. It's even. So roll 1d3 for our guy. 1, so this becomes a 1. Okay, here. 6. Roll for an event. 4. Enemy raid. 2. 6 IL-2s in a defensive circle. All right, I'm going to have to grab that, and we'll come back. All right, so this is interesting. The Soviets, since I'm all fighters, the Soviets formed a defensive circle. So what you do for a defensive circle is you roll for the highest experienced and put him in the location. Then you roll each of the guys by their experience dice and put them in the order of the die roll. So this is how they ended up. He's in this hex, so he won't be able to attack them, so his turn is done. So he's got the option of attacking any aircraft with... If he attacks him, he's covering his tail. If he attacks him, he's covering his tail. If he attacks this guy, the ace is covering his tail. If anyone he attacks, if the person behind has less experience, they get a -1. If they have equal or greater, they get a normal die roll. So what he's going to do is he's going to come in and he's going to attack this guy. Okay. And he rolls a 1, he misses. So his tail gunner fires back. Miss. And this guy attacks with a -1 die roll. Miss. So he's done. He's going to come in, he's going to do the same thing. Seven. 1 hit using an A. Five becomes a -1, becomes a 4. So roll against a 4. 1, critical, draw another A. 4, now it's an 8. Roll against an 8. 10, he hangs on. All right, tail gunner fires back. Miss, and green pilot fires. 6, 1 hit using an A. Even though it's -1, a 6 is still an automatic hit. 4, this is a 5 now. Roll against a 5 +1. 2. He's flipped. He's done. All right, so he's going to go the same place. 7. 1 hit using an A, and that's going to shoot him down. 5. Tail gunner returns fire. Miss, and the green pilot gets another hit. Man, he's a good green pilot. Using an A. 3. You roll against a 3 plus 1. 10. He's fine. He's done. All right, he's shot down. Roll to see if he bails out. Nope. And get the full points. All right, so the ace rolls. 12 and 3. It's 15. Dang, that was good. All right, now we'll roll for these guys to see what order they go. 8 and 9 and 5 and 5. So he wins the tie. These two guys are here and he's here. All right, roll for my remaining Germans. Got an 8. 4 and 5 is 9. They can't do anything. 2 and 5 is 7. He can't do anything. 3 and 4 is 7. He can't do anything. 9 and 5 is 14. And he can't. Oh, actually, it's 15. But he still can't do anything. That ace rolled and saved him. All right, so only 2 turns. So we shot down and captured it's 3, 5 points. So 3 and 2 is 5. So 5 mission points. So 6 and 5 is 11. And we roll to land. So the Romanian lands automatically safe, so he's done. All right, this guy's a -2. 9, so he's safe. So -1 point that takes us to 10 for the damaged aircraft. And he rolls at a -1. 3, 2, he's safe. So he's good. Oops, he doesn't even roll. These two guys are joined us. All right, so we've got 10 mission points. So we're going to buy 1 campaign point to take us to 7, and let it take us to 9 mission points. We get to draw 2 free dogfight cards. Thatch Weave, Sheepdog. I want an offensive one, so I'm going to draw an extra one for Sitting Duck. So we'll get rid of Guardian Angel and collect Sitting Duck. So that'll cost us 1 mission point to take us to 8. Now, I'm probably going to buy something with my bank mission points, but I got to look that up, so I'll do that before the next mission. And I want to repair these 2 aircraft, so that's going to be 2 more mission points. Take us to 6. I want to buy a pilot for this aircraft, so it'll take us to 4. Draw a post-mission card. Fancy maneuver, +2 to any dogfight or combat. IL2 combat card, that's good. Move the calendar ahead a day. And then before the beginning of the next turn, I'll decide what to do with my 13 bank mission points. All right, and that's it.